Ito yung isa sa mga tapunan ng mga damit dito. The church here. Yung libingan. Lalabas kami guys. Pupunta kami ng supermarket. Sinama namin yung mga yung magtatapunan ng mga damit. Ayan o. Sinakay na ni daddy dito. Ayan. Dalawa. Ano yung dalawa? Ito yung pinakamalapit na shop sa amin, yung Bunpris. Yan. Kaya lang medyo expensive siya. And, yan. So, yan naman yung aming, look. This is the price of the diesel here. And the gasoline. What is that, Dad? This one?
This is apartment.
It's apartment daw.
Yeah.
For rent?
Yeah.
So, ito guys, yung simbahan nila dito.
Oh, the rest will be renovated. No?
This is the church
Here,
here.
there is a
Norwegian
church and there is the two people.
And here is the yung libingan. O, diba?
I think this is a combination school.
Sa Norway guys, yung mga may ganitong lupain, ganyang kalalapad, it's we call it farm. Sila yung mga mayayaman dito. Ayan guys, tingnan nyo naman. Yan ang itsura ng Norway. I'll take this video. So guys, itong company ng Fretex, ito yung isa sa mga tapunan ng mga damit dito. Yan. But I think full na yata. Oh. So dyan namin tatapon yung mga damit na dala namin. Yeah, it's full.
Then we have to try and find another place.
So, puno guys. Hindi tayo pwede magtapon. Punong-puno. So, try natin dito guys kung makakapasok tayo ng mga damit. Maybe we have to take out some. Right.
Full.
Full.